Okay, these jokes aren't meant to offend anybody, so take it with a grain of salt. But the midget fortune teller who kills his customers is a small medium at large. You're welcome. Okay, so we're going to make our way over here today. So we haven't finished the back side of that gable yet, but we're starting to get low on boards. I'll show you here in a minute over there. So I want to make sure that we use our best ones on this part, and then the ones that may not be as good on the back side. So we're going to move here to make sure we do that. And this here, mudroom, or not mudroom, utility room is eventually going to come out. I'll show you to the end of the concrete. And then to the end of that concrete, we're just going to bring it out the rest of the way. Give a little more space, be able to put a little more insulation in there. But for now, we're just going to board around it. So we're going to board around that and go to the end of the wall. And then we'll board up that room when we're done later on with the pieces that we have left to clean it all up. And then we'll finish off that other gable side. See, right here is all we have left for boards. So we want to make sure that we have the good ones on the front and not on the back, because we don't want to have the front piece together. Worst case scenario, hopefully we don't do that anyways, but we're going to put all these on the front. This here, we're going to bring this out to over the edge of this here on that concrete. We were kind of in a rush last year and just did this with scraps and stuff, but we're going to bring it the rest of the way out, and then we'll just continue this roof out to here or so, and then go down, and then we'll just insulate it real good. And that'll be that for this year, and then we'll move on to the garage.
Got the boss lady watching what we're doing. Okay. No, chasing them though. I thought it was supposed to be a hot day.
Chickens right now, and they already got a lot in there. I'm just putting it up high so they don't peck my fingers. So they just jumped off and begged for it just right away.
Nothing matters when you have that.
At all?
Yeah, little, you ready?
Yeah. Ooh, this is sketchy. To go in the glass, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that needs to be cut.
Ah. So we're just going to use these little vent covers here to clean up this stuff right here. This is the wires that run into our charger. And then this here is for the battery bank, so it's to air out the battery so they're not venting in the house, they vent outside, so we'll just use that as well right here to cover that. Looks a lot cleaner, and then we'll just put caulking along the top to seal it. So it'll look good. And what's 5/8? A half, more than a half, right? More than a quarter?
More than half.
Okay.
Definitely more than a quarter.
3/4, I mean.
Less.
Okay.
1/8 of an inch after a half.
Okay.
Want me to hold it?
Okay. Take my hand. There we go. Last board.
Yeah, I know you do.
Inappropriate.
All right, another day.
Yep, another day. It was a hot one. Today was
Man,
so hot.
brutal. It's been a
Really
heat
hot.
wave again.
Yeah, another heat wave.
So we
Not
worked
in
for
my
a while.
bikini, but
Then
it was hot.
We worked for a while, then we stopped for a bit, and then
Came back out
came
after
back out.
supper.
And it was way better.
Yeah,
It's still like, by way better, it's still
it's bearable.
like pushing 30 Celsius still.
Mm,
But earlier in the day, it was brutal hot.
yeah.
But we literally just have a little piece of the gable left now.
Yeah, this whole side's done.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of little cuts to go around that utility room, but
Mm-hmm. We still got to do the utility room, but we got to build that out still, like we mentioned. So, yeah.
we're happy.
All right.
Happy with today.
See ya.
See you in the next one.
Later.